Oh my god. Best budget keyboard on TikTok? Let's unbox this Akko PC75B Plus Air. If you have not heard of this keyboard, it is a mechanical keyboard that is geared for the Mac user just because of the keycaps, but any PC user can use this keyboard as well. It comes with a keycap puller, switch puller, dingle dongle, and a really nice cable. The dust cover is actually really nice too, and this might be the best sounding keyboard that you can buy off TikTok. And it's got a lot of weight to it for being plastic. The knob I'll be playing with in the garage all night long. RGB, there's like 69 different settings. If you are looking for a keyboard for that pure white desk setup and don't want to mess with your keyboard, then this is the one to get. This keyboard looks good, feels good, but let's hear how it sounds. Ooh, that sounds good, and it's all because of the Akko V3 Cream Yellow Pros. They're absolutely wonderful. I truly believe this is the best keyboard that you can buy on TikTok currently, and I'll leave that link down below. If you're trying to step up your laptop setup, you're going to need this laptop stand. It's by a company called JSOX. It's a heavy-duty design, but also very sleek at the same time. In your setup, you always want to bring your laptop to eye level, and this is exactly what it does. This also doubles as a tablet holder, and I put my iPad mini to the test. I'm going to set up the laptop and tell me what you think. Do yourself and your neck a favor and get the JSOX laptop stand and step up your laptop setup. I'm going to leave that link right down below for you. What did I just buy? Is it a fidget toy? No. These are the newest headphones of 2024, and I have a feeling these are going to go extremely viral. It has a built-in microphone, you can control your music, and they're noise canceling. I know you're going to want a pair of these before they sell out, so I'm going to do you a favor and I'm going to link them down below. Is this the best budget keyboard on Amazon? I am new to mechanical keyboards, but man, I cannot find another keyboard that I would rather have. I just got some drop MT3 profile keycaps, and I must say it is really dressing up my budget Amazon keyboard. Granted, this board is aluminum, hot swappable, RGB, but I modify everything I own just to make mine look and sound a little different. But if you don't want to mess with your keyboard, I do recommend the pre-built version, and I really do think it is the creamiest sounding stock keyboard off Amazon. This is the Epomaker Hi75, and I have the pre-built and bare bones linked in my bio.